fun tidy-up. Every morning the Woof-Woofs do something regular. But today they all were looking for something that went missing.
Can't find it. Hey, Brush, have you seen my super dog doll? I can't find it. It's gone. Are you kidding? I don't play with your super dog, Bagel. It's not for girls. It is for little kids. Yeah, right. You took my cars to play with your friends. I remember that. That was different. Those were for the guests. To bring them to Doggy's birthday party. Okay. Take it if you need. I don't mind. But tell me now, where is it? Honestly, Bagel, I didn't take your super dog. And by the way, give me my diary back. You can't open it anyway, because I've got the key.
Good morning, dears. What's the rush you got here?
Don't worry, Mom. It's okay. Bagel says I'm the thief.
Okay, tell me what's going on.
Well, we can't find my super dog, and Brush's diary is missing. Somebody took it, but who?
That's a mystery. Okay, guys, breakfast's ready. And Grands are here. Go downstairs and tell them all about your losses.
Hello, dears. What happened? Why are you so sad? I can find my new super dog. And I can find my secret diary.
And I can find the notes for my new song. Have anybody seen my notes?
Where on earth is my tablet charger?
Oh my. Sounds like we have Lusty on our hands. Lusty? Lusty. Magical creature that likes being around messy places. I think it came through the kids' room. Do you like a mess, dears?
And what we're gonna do with this, Lusty?
Well, there's an old magical ritual. But you kids should tidy up first. This is so boring. No, it's not. Especially if you play a game. While you're tidying your house. We're gonna play a game! What game, Brad? First, let's put a blindfold. Me! Blindfold me, please! Okay. Pickle, and then we will do one thing. And you will have to tell us what it is. You have 3 tries. This isn't fair! And what am I supposed to do? You should guess where the thing belongs and put it where it's supposed to be. And then we should switch. You get a plus if you guess. And if you don't, you get minus. For each plus, you get a coin. How that sounds? Woohoo!
Oh, I hope we'll find my notes.
Cool, let's do this.
And no picking.
Laser sword.
Good job, Bagel.
Come on. One last try. I know. It's the Granny's needle pad.
That's so funny. What a great game.
A washcloth in the living room.
And Bagel thought that flash sweater was a laser sword. And you couldn't guess Granny's trainer. Thought I lost it forever. How did it get here? We didn't take it. Lusty did. And it's not a trainer. It's a helmet.
Woof, woof, hey.
Lovely day.
Harvest Festival.
Oh, here. Oh, there it is! Tassel! Our giant pumpkin is almost here! Hooray! I'm sure we're gonna win this year!
Huge, isn't it? This pumpkin doesn't joke around. I think we should make a photo. Gather round, everybody. Woof woof, hey!
Holiday!
3, 2, 1, go! Ah! Come on, let's go! Uh-oh.
No!
Oh no!
Aw. We're never gonna win now.
Don't panic. I know what we should do. Get the pumpkin and bring it to the kitchen. Well, where is it? Ah, gotcha.
Huh?
This book has
Oh, wow.
a recipe for the best pumpkin pies in the world.
That is cool.
My friend gave it to me a long time ago.
Pumpkin pies? But no one will believe that we had the biggest pumpkin.
Don't worry. We'll use its rind as a tray.
And we'll show everyone our photo.
Yay! We're saved! Oh, I'm so excited! Hey, listen! They're gonna say who won!
For the most creative and non-standard approach, the winners of this year's Harvest Festival are... the Woof Woofs!
Hooray!
Woof, woof, woof. Hey!
Lovely day!
Holiday time. Today is the day when Bagel and Brush go on a holiday.
Wow! Oh, look what an island! Oh, yeah! You know what? I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever! And I want to see dolphins! Look how cute they are! Oh! You think it's really hot out there? Sure! And very sunny! Imagine all the ice cream we can eat! It's gonna be a lot! And this time I'm gonna swim very well! Like this! Oh, hi, Daddy!
Have you guys packed your things?
Yep!
Woof woof, hey!
Lovely day!
Well, passports, check. Tickets, check. And a happy family! Check, check, check. All right, looks like we're all set and ready to
Now
go.
wait a minute. Why there are 5 suitcases when there are only 4 of us?
It's Lottie's suitcase.
Lottie's?
Yep. All of her things are there.
Honey, they won't let us on a plane with all this stuff. We should leave it.
Lottie needs her stuff. All the dress and hat and her
Aw.
pillow. She can't sleep without it. How we going or what? Pretty please.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Please, Mommy.
Well, and what do we try to put it into our suitcases somehow?
Mine's full. As well as mine.
So maybe I can squeeze it in. Let's see. Clothes, lotions and potions, sunscreen and... Oh dear, I forgot the hairdryer. Wait a minute. And done. Oh, doesn't look I can fit it in either. Whoops.
Alright, let's see.
Do you really need all that?
I just thought I could work a bit on the way.
But we're on a holiday. Are you really gonna be working?
My laptop? Can't do without it. This thing I need, obviously. This I can leave, I guess. And I certainly need this.
Oh, yeah. We will sure need these. Hooray! Thank you so much, Daddy!
Great job, honey.
Hooray! Hooray! We finally can go on a holiday!
Well, I just hope we have all we need.
Hey, I think we did forget
What's
something.
that?
Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day! Always stay together. Is it clear?
Of course, Mommy.